This is a project recently finished by us at QDS Carpentry and Joinery. At the moment the business is just myself, Alistair Johnson, and I do the design and the installations, and my apprentice Mo and my wife Alison who does the administration. So a fairly small setup, but one of the advantages of that for the time being is that we can offer you a very personal service. A lot of the jobs we get asked to do require very specific design problems to be solved. They are often quite unusual spaces, sometimes with access problems. And the benefit of using QDS is that I'll be the one that visits you and works through the design process with you, but I will also see through the installation. One of the things I want to talk about with this project is how the quality of the final installation depends a lot on the first processes of the first steps of design. So that means making the right decisions so that things will fit, things will work right. For example, you don't want to have a door where the handle knocks against something when it opens. So you want to make sure everything moves as it should. Then there's a choice of hardware. We use very high quality hardware. The hinges on this project from the Austrian manufacturer Blum, and they have a soft close mechanism that pulls itself in. They also have a lifetime guarantee, so you can be assured of the quality. Now going back to the design issue, we've got a need for storage in this space. This is a landing outside of an attic bedroom, so it's on the third floor of a house in Sheffield. And we've got a very large space here, but we wouldn't have been able to bring up a wardrobe through the very small winding stairs that lead up here. So right at the design stage, decisions had to be made about which parts would be assembled on site and which would be made in advance. And we can do a mixture of both those things. And then we've had to design things to fit the particular angle of the ceiling, so all these doors and all these units are custom made. You find that some bedroom manufacturers work around standard sized units, so for example 60 centimetres, 80 centimetres, 90 centimetres. You'll fit those in and then have little infill panels. We tend to, as much as possible, maximise a space with a unit designed to fit. So if you look at the drawer unit down below here, this is a non-conventional size. We've made the drawer boxes themselves to fit perfectly in the space. And again, we've got soft close runners here that pull themselves in. And then the angled wardrobes here, these have got very wide opening hinges, so the doors swing right out the way when you open them. That's got a hanging rail in it and the option for a removable shelf at the bottom. If I close that again, that's got a soft close mechanism on it. And this one here, again, it's got the wide opening hinges, and here we've got two adjustable shelves that can be moved to different positions. It's always a challenge to make use of an angled space. Up here we've got a rectangular door, but this is space that's usable inside here behind a fixed panel. And then the conventional wardrobe, the biggest storage space. Again, going back to the design, we've placed it right where all the light floods in. You can see the light from the Velux window above. So we've got a hanging rail, some tie racks on the doors, and as you come out of your bedroom to use this, you've got the light coming in from the ceiling, so you can see the clothes very clearly. So there are a lot of decisions to be made in terms of design, and it's something that I will walk you through right from the first process of meeting you. You'll show me what your problem is that you need to solve, that you need a bespoke furniture solution for. I'll sit down with you and I'll look at initial ideas and give you some options, and we can talk it through. We can revise them as much as you want until we arrive at something that's how you want it, and then we'll go away, work out the details, and ultimately give you a very high quality level of installation, a very high quality finish.